Welcome back to Autoscope. Toyota Motorhome 2026. External design. Aerodynamics. A design with streamlined lines and few protrusions is likely to be more aerodynamic for better fuel economy. LED lighting, fully LED headlights and taillights, which will be standard, will improve lighting and save energy. Simple access. Sliding or wide-opening doors provide simple access to the cabin and living area. Awnings that may be manually or mechanically retracted to create a covered space outside the vehicle are known as integrated awnings. Available solar panels. Integrated solar panels on the roof are an option for charging the home batteries in order to accommodate an off-grid living. Interior design. Because they allow the arrangement to be tailored to the needs of the user, flexibility and modularity are crucial for interior design. Sleeping area. Pop-top bed. A convertible couch bed or a permanent double bed could be used to increase the amount of space available for sleeping. Compact kitchen. A little kitchenette with a sink, a portable gas or induction stove, and a small refrigerator. There may also be a small microwave present. Seating area. A comfortable couch or chairs, usually with a table that may be folded out for eating or working. Smart storage. Many clever, hidden storage options are available to maximize available space. Hybrid electric powertrain. Given Toyota's commitment to electrification, it is likely that their RV will include a hybrid powertrain option, which combines a gasoline engine and electric motor for better fuel efficiency. Additionally, a plug-in hybrid PHEV or even an all-electric BEV variant would be feasible if technology develops anew. For a vehicle of this size, an infotainment system of today large touchscreen with built-in internet connection, navigation, and Apple CarPlay and Android Auto support. Toyota Safety Sense, or TSS Safety-related features. Standard features will include automatic high beams AHB, lane departure alert LDA, adaptive cruise control ACC, and pre-collision system PCS. Blind spot monitor and rear cross traffic alert are also possible.